one of the better camera shops in town, but they got lots of cameras, but not much else. And there we have the banana shop. Then we have the lemon. And I have not seen an apple anywhere. I've got some of the fruit here. That's a delivery vehicle, that one. But all those ones over there, all the way along there, that's the Thai version of a tuk-tuk, which is a ute with a body on it. Quite straight. Terminal 21 was just over the other side of that. We weren't very far away. This is Pattaya Beach. Girls are up there taking pickies. Just had a big rainstorm come through, so the sand's all firm underfoot. Doesn't do it justice with the sun behind the clouds. Ford Ranger, I recognise that one. It's pretty flash. Chariot. Hilux. I wonder whether it's the same one. Oh yeah. The one that you don't buy because they mucked up the suspension. It's a bit like a tank. There's another one. So if you're thinking about a Toyota Hilux, that's the model you don't buy because they not very good. Central Shopping Centre. That's not even how I do it either. Alright. Okay guys, that's the end of our Streets of Pattaya video. So we took those photos and video over the past few days, and since then we've relocated to the Sabai Inn, which you can see the sign behind me, and I would really highly recommend the Sabai Inn. They're really good staff here. Lovely room. It's an older style, and it's across the road from, I guess it's the Sabai Sabana, which you can see behind me there. I think that's the newer one, which is similar price, but this one's lovely. Staff's better here. If you stay in the Sabai Inn, you get to use the pool across the road, which is behind those palm trees there, and you get to use their restaurant. And if you pay for breakfast, you get your brekkie over there. The staff are not as nice over there. The staff are wonderful here. Really lovely. It just feels like being home here, and it's a magnificent place. So actually, so that's the story on the Streets of Pattaya. But I'll just quickly show you what this place is like. So this is really old school and super lovely. And the staff, like I said, are wonderful. So you can see it over my shoulder here. It's it is a bit old school, but it's really nice. And you've got an enormous big pool table there, which is covered up. But that's Sabai Inn. And thanks for watching Streets of Pattaya. See you in the next one. Okay, bye.